yourself in a private cinema with the Govies G3X, crafted for those who demand clarity, comfort, and complete immersion. This isn't just a headset, it's a personal 4K old theater featuring dual 2K micro OLED displays that deliver stunning visuals with 1920 by 1080 resolution per eye. At 42 pixels per degree, the crystal clear aspheric lenses ensure razor-sharp detail. Hard water buildup and soap scum don't stand a chance when you're armed with a precision tool built for real cleaning. With an impressive max torque of 22 inch-pounds, this scrubber drives through grime on tile, glass, porcelain, and more. Charge once via USB-C and get up to 90 minutes of runtime, long enough to clean your entire bathroom without stopping. Under the sun or through a chill dusk breeze, this electric machine is built for performance beyond pavement. The MaxFund 10 Max pushes urban mobility into a class of its own with top-tier components and unrelenting power. A searing 55 miles per hour top speed delivers high-octane thrills, while the extended 70-plus mile range ensures you're riding longer without compromise. Its Samsung removable battery guarantees quality and convenience. Charge anywhere, anytime. The Insta360 Link 2 C4K webcam stands out as a premium choice for professional streaming, video calls, and gaming. Designed for both PC and Mac, it boasts a 1/2-inch sensor for exceptional clarity and detail. With 4K resolution, your broadcasts or video conferences are captured in stunning visual quality, whether you're working from home or streaming to an audience. One of its standout features is auto-framing, which intelligently adjusts the camera's position to keep you in focus even if you move. Imagine writing in midair, tapping invisible buttons, and swiping through digital content with just your fingertips. Senatch transforms gesture control into a full sensory experience. With handwriting, multi-finger typing, and intuitive air gestures, presentations in classrooms and meetings shift from static to fluid, letting you guide the room with effortless precision. Its handwriting function lets you sketch, annotate, and write without touching a screen, while multi-finger typing replicates a keyboard that floats just under your hand. Introducing Dolly, the ultimate AI-powered desktop companion that is transforming the way we interact with technology. Designed with precision, Dolly is a cutting-edge open-source robot built on the versatile Raspberry Pi platform. With its innovative open hardware and open design, Dolly offers an engaging and customizable user experience, making it the perfect tool for anyone eager to explore the world of AI and robotics. Fortified with unmatched endurance and engineered for harsh terrain, this powerhouse tablet is built to thrive in places where ordinary devices would fail. The RT7 Titan isn't just another rugged tablet, it's a survivalist command center, equipped with cutting-edge technology wrapped in a tough tactical shell. Whether you're operating in construction zones, wilderness outposts, or emergency response situations, it brings more than just connectivity. This Android 13 tablet features a colossal 32,000 milliamp hour battery, capable of enduring for days without needing a charge. Suna is a sleek and efficient solar light designed to enhance your living space while harnessing the power of the sun. Its unique, curved design, crafted from durable brass aluminum, mimics the horizon, maximizing surface area for sun-power solar cells to absorb sunlight effectively. Measuring 31.5 inches in length, Suna is mounted securely in front of your window using 2 sturdy steel wires. Step into a world where sleep isn't just rest, it's power. Pod 4. Ultra transforms your nights with precision temperature control, clinical-grade tracking, and sleep-boosting intelligence. This isn't a mattress upgrade, it's a shift in how recovery happens. Pod 4 Ultra dives 20 degrees Fahrenheit below room temperature or climbs to soothing heat, adapting instantly to your needs. Dual zones let you and your partner create separate climates, no compromises. The Arlo Essential Indoor Camera 2nd Generation offers cutting-edge security with its dual camera setup and 2K video quality, providing an excellent solution for monitoring your home, children, pets, and valuables. The high-definition video clarity ensures you never miss a detail, and the easy setup means you can have your cameras up and running in no time. Arlo emphasizes privacy protection, giving you full control over your personal information. Plantone 2.0 is a modern solution to effortless plant care, combining convenience with technology to keep your plants thriving. This innovative system requires minimal attention, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Simply plant your seeds, fill the water tank, and plug in the unit. Plantone will handle the rest, providing your plants with everything they need to grow healthily. What makes Plantone stand out is its use of regular soil, eliminating the need for expensive plant pods. Unlike traditional cubes that rely solely on muscle memory and repetitive practice, this futuristic cube integrates cutting-edge AI to create an entirely new way to engage with puzzle solving. The Mars AI Robot Cube takes learning to the next level by teaching you how to solve the cube with intelligent built-in guidance. No smartphone or app required. The AI-powered learning mode provides real-time hints, while Watch and Learn mode lets users observe the cube solve itself. Designed with purpose and built for control, the Vault 2.0 reshapes how you manage your everyday carry. Inspired by the logic of folders and the simplicity of book pages, this modular system redefines functional organization with precision and intent. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or working from multiple locations, Vault 2.0 adapts to your gear and your rhythm. Each size, Mini Light, Flex Pro, and Max Haul, caters to specific carry needs, ensuring your essentials are always where they need to be. Tactile precision meets compact utility in this reimagined everyday essential. Crafted for those who value sleek form and smart function, this minimalist wallet stows up to 5 cards without sacrificing durability or access. A fan-style deployment delivers a crisp, satisfying metal click each time you open it, making every transaction feel intentional. Hidden inside its clean silhouette is a pocket-sized multi-tool. A discreetly integrated knife provides reliable cutting power when you need it most. Power your setup with the Aurora 20-in-1 docking station, engineered to elevate every part of your workspace. Built with a staggering 128 terabytes of combined HDD and SSD storage, it gives you unmatched capacity to manage projects, backups, and intensive workflows with ease. Featuring 40 gigabits per second data transfer speeds, this dock ensures blazing fast file movement across your devices without delay. In a world where precision meets style, the Revolution R180S steps forward as the ultimate 2-slice smart toaster. Designed with a vibrant full-color touchscreen, this powerhouse offers 6 preset bread algorithms, handling everything from artisan breads to frozen bagels with remarkable accuracy. Its brushed stainless steel body doesn't just elevate your kitchen style, it speaks to a refined taste for high-performance appliances. Crafted for those who move with purpose, the Oaklip Ultra delivers performance in a compact 2.09-inch form. This isn't just a pocket light, it's a triple-function powerhouse. With a 530 lumen output, it transforms from a broad floodlight to a precision spotlight, and even a UV beam for detailed inspection. Whether clipped to your backpack, brim, collar, or pocket, the dual-direction clip and ultra-slim profile keep it secure and accessible. No bright distractions, no attention traps. The Lightphone 3 is here for those ready to reclaim their time and presence. Built for people tired of the upgrade treadmill, this device honors durability, clarity, and purpose. With a sleek metal frame, 5G connectivity, and USB-C charging, it provides what's essential without dragging you into the noise. Every element of the Lightphone 3 speaks intention. The camera is purposefully minimalist, echoing classic point-and-shoot film cameras. When every second counts, whether you're racing daylight on a mountain trail or commuting through city chaos, you need gear that works fast and right. Enter the Airvot, a 4-in-1 tire inflator engineered for smart, high-performance inflation on the go. Compact, yet mighty. It weighs only 7.4 ounces and is built with a cordless frame that fits effortlessly in your palm, backpack, or glove box. Cyclists, bikers, campers, and ballers, this one's built for you. Transform your space with the Outton S1 2-in-1 floor lamp, a powerful lighting solution designed to enhance both style and function. Standing at an impressive height of 70 inches, this versatile lamp offers two distinct lighting options. The 3000 lumens LED torchiere lamp delivers bright, consistent illumination, perfect for illuminating large areas such as living rooms or bedrooms. Meanwhile, the RGB corner lamp adds a unique touch, creating vibrant lighting effects that are ideal for game rooms or spaces where you want to introduce an energetic atmosphere. Soft light flickers like a fireplace glow while cool mist drifts gently through the air. This is the calm delivered by the Airial Ultrasonic Flame Diffuser. Designed to elevate your indoor atmosphere, this diffuser mimics the look of a glowing flame using warm LED lights and ultra-fine nano mist. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil and let the air around you transform. Cleaner, more fragrant, and easier to breathe. The Anker 3-in-1 power bank is engineered for convenience and versatility, making it an essential accessory for those on the go. Its foldable 30-watt plug ensures easy portability while providing fast charging for a range of devices. Available in both 5,000 and 10,000 mAh capacities, this power bank can efficiently charge your smartphone, tablet, or other electronics multiple times without needing to be recharged itself. Engineered for efficiency in the most demanding environments, the tough-built Stacktech drawer toolboxes redefine professional-grade tool storage. The Stacktech 1-drawer and 3-drawer toolboxes introduce a new tier of accessibility, featuring a seamless, self-aligning stacking system and an auto-locking interface for true one-handed use. The innovative single-point slide switch allows for fast, secure operation, ideal for fast-paced job sites where every second counts. Stargazing just met its next evolution. Whether you're on a rooftop in the city or camping under open skies, Hestia transforms your smartphone into a powerful astrophotography tool. No bulky equipment or rocket science required. Designed with precision and elegance, Hestia reshapes everything you thought a telescope could be. Compact as a 6x9-inch book and featherlight at under 2 pounds, it slips into your bag with ease, ready for adventure whenever you are. The Xeon X 16-inch 2.5K touchscreen portable monitor offers an immersive display experience in a sleek and portable design. With its 16-inch touchscreen and 2.5K resolution, it delivers crystal-clear visuals perfect for work, gaming, or entertainment. The ultra-slim 6mm profile makes it easy to carry and set up, providing flexibility for both professional and casual users. Designed for versatility, it can be used in a variety of environments, from home offices to on-the-go presentations. Precision meets compact power in a tool designed for creators who demand performance without compromise. This 10-watt mini laser engraver is engineered for fast, efficient operation while offering the versatility needed for working with wood, metal, leather, and more. Delivering 10,000 milliwatts of focused laser energy, it cuts cleanly and engraves with sharp, accurate detail, perfect for both personal projects and professional production. The Nanoag Daypack redefines portability, offering a full-size backpack that fits effortlessly into the palm of your hand. Designed from a durable, lightweight technical fabric, this innovative day pack promises both convenience and practicality. Whether you're heading out for a hike or commuting through a busy city, this compact companion transforms from pocket size to perfectly functional in seconds. Its ultra-compact design ensures it slips easily into your pocket when not in use, taking up minimal space and leaving you free to move without any excess weight. Power meets precision with the next evolution in workspace cleanliness. The Halo Modular Air Duster delivers professional-grade airflow at 90,000 RPM, easily dislodging dust from electronics, tools, and hard-to-reach corners without relying on disposable cans. Built for continuous performance, its unlimited runtime modular station ensures you're never caught mid-task without power. Just dock, swap, and keep going. Packing for your trip doesn't have to be a hassle. Enter the Volek EasyY Organizer Set. Designed to eliminate the stress from your packing routine, you can compress your items up to 85%, making it possible to carry more with less. The Volek EasyY Set is built for durability, using 70D nylon fabric that withstands wear and tear. With an upgraded Turbo Boost airflow system that provides a massive 200 liters per minute, packing is completed in a flash, saving you valuable time. The TBK211 Digital Soldering Station Combo offers an efficient, versatile solution for precise soldering. It stands out with rapid heating capabilities, reaching the desired temperature quickly, ensuring minimal waiting time for users. Designed for accuracy, it maintains a stable temperature throughout the soldering process, enhancing the quality and reliability of every joint. The included cleaning sponge helps maintain a clean tip, extending the life of the soldering iron. The Saro Z70 is an advanced robotic vacuum designed to elevate cleaning technology with precision and versatility. At just 3.14 inches in height, this ultra-slim device can easily navigate tight spaces, ensuring a deep clean where traditional vacuums struggle. Featuring the Starsight Autonomous System 2.0, it intelligently maps your home, optimizing its cleaning route for maximum efficiency. The Z70 incorporates a dual anti-tangle system to prevent hair and debris from obstructing its performance, allowing for smooth and uninterrupted cleaning. Choco Dream transforms the way you approach chocolate creations. With the innovative 3D chocolate printing pen, anyone can bring their sweet visions to life in minutes. This game-changing tool allows you to craft stunning edible designs with ease, whether you're a professional or simply someone who loves chocolate and creative expression. Using the pen, you can create detailed sculptures, custom treats, and personalized chocolates, all from the comfort of your kitchen. The process is simple. Plug in the pen, load your favorite chocolate, and begin sculpting intricate designs that look as good as they taste.